Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with MoneyLion detailed guide step by step clearly. To save with MoneyLion, start by downloading the MoneyLion app from your device's app store. Once downloaded, open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your email address and phone number. After setting up your account, link your bank account for easy transfers. Navigate to the savings section within the app to explore the options available. Choose the type of savings account that suits your goals, such as a high-interest account or an auto-savings feature. If you opt for auto-savings, set up how much and how often you want funds transferred from your linked bank account. MoneyLion also offers a feature called Round UPS, which automatically saves spare change from your purchases. To enable Round UPS, go to the Settings menu and toggle this feature on. Consider using MoneyLion's investments feature to boost your savings through diversified portfolios. You can set specific savings goals and monitor your progress directly in the app. Regularly check your savings to stay motivated and adjust your contributions as needed. MoneyLion often provides personalized tips and tools to help you save more effectively. Utilize these resources to optimize your savings strategy and make informed decisions. Remember to review your monthly budget to align your spending and savings goals. Stay engaged with your financial journey through the app to keep moving towards your savings objectives. By following these steps, you'll make the most of your MoneyLion experience and grow your savings efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.